Hello and welcome to Budget with Brian, and today I'm going to show you something that's blown me away, a tool that's absolutely the right thing for the job. These are shears, and today these are not the right tool for the job. What I typically do is use these just to cut through the outer sheath of a cable like this. This is external grade Cat 5e, and then I can just pull that sheath off. The other thing that you might find on cable a bit like this is that there's a tape that runs through. If you can get hold of that and then just pull that through, that'll split that outside sheath without damaging the cores inside. Now I'm doing this one-handed, but I cannot get this off easily. This is not coming, and it's that tight, obviously, so it doesn't let water in, etc. But yeah, using these to get that off is not the job. So what these are good for is snipping the whole thing through, and I shall bring on the butterfly splitter. Now very kindly I've just been given one of these, and it works absolutely fantastically. I would struggle to do this single-handedly with those cable shears there, but you just slip it on over there and then you just pull, and what it does is it splits that outer sheath perfectly without damaging any of the any of those internal cables. How fantastic is that? If I find this product available online, I shall put a link below. Thanks very much to the very kind gentleman that gave me this amazing tool. Thank you very much. Yeah, thanks again for watching Budget with Brian. We're on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook. Please remember to subscribe. Thanks a lot.